Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Klarna on Walmart Online. Using Klarna provides excellent flexibility for your budget, allowing you to easily spread out the costs for many different purchases. We will guide you through each step, from setting up your account to making your final payment. It is a straightforward process designed to make shopping more convenient and accessible for everyone, giving you peace of mind. Before shopping at Walmart, ensure your Klarna account is ready to go. Simply download the free Klarna app from your App Store or visit Klarna.com on your computer. Create your account by providing a few details like your name, address, and linking a payment method. This usually takes less than 5 minutes, and you are then prepared to make your first purchase. It is a quick and secure setup. Once your Klarna account is active, head over to Walmart.com and start filling your cart with everything you need. Whether it is groceries, electronics, or home goods, all eligible items will count. When you are ready to complete your purchase, proceed to the checkout page as you normally would. In the payment section, simply select Klarna as your preferred option, usually found alongside other payment methods. After selecting Klarna at checkout, you will be presented with your available payment plans. The most common option is to split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments, due every 2 weeks. For some purchases, you might also have the option to pay the full amount in 30 days, giving you time before any payment is due. Klarna will quickly assess your eligibility and confirm your chosen plan, usually within seconds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.